Hi everyone, welcome back to Now How. Today I have an exciting tutorial for you. We will be creating an age calculator template in Excel. This template will help you calculate the age based on a given date of birth. So whether you are planning a birthday party or working on a project that involves age calculation, this template will come in handy. I am going to teach this in step-by-step process, so don't go away and watch this video till end.
Don't forget to subscribe now and press the bell icon for more videos.
So this is the template that we are working with. In this template you can see that we have to insert the date of birth, then the current date or the date from which you want to calculate the age, then the age in years, months and days, and at the bottom of the template you can see that we have worked out the age in the wording format. So now I'm going to write the date of birth. For example, I'm writing December 31 1988. Then for the current date you can use the formula is equal to today bracket start and close and hit the enter, or you can enter any date from which you want to calculate the age. Then I am going to write the formula to calculate the age in years. So equal dated if bracket start the date of birth cell, then comma the current date, again comma, and in inverted commas I have to write y for years, close this bracket and hit the enter. So I have calculated the number of years in the age. Then I am going to calculate the months. So for month I will write equal dated if bracket start, again the date of birth and then the current date, again comma, and this time in inverted commas I will write ym and close this bracket, hit the enter, and the months are also calculated. Now for the days I will write equal dated if bracket start the date of the birth comma current date, again comma, and for the number of days I have to write md in inverted commas, close this bracket, hit the enter, and you have calculated the days. So you can see that we have calculated the age in years, months and days. So 34 years, 5 months and 17 days. Now we are going to learn how we can write this age in words. So I will write equal and then I will select the cell where the number of years is present. So after this I will write and inverted commas I will write years. After this I will write and the cell that contain the number of months, and then again and this time in inverted commas I will write months, again and cell and select the cell that contain the number of days, and again and this time in inverted commas I will write the days. So you can see that it is written as 34 years, 5 months and 17 days. And there you have it. We have successfully created an age calculator template in Excel. This template allows you to quickly calculate someone's age based on their date of birth. You can save this template and use it whenever you need to determine someone's age. It is a handy tool for event planner, researcher, or anyone who works with age-related data. Thank you all for watching this tutorial. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please leave them in the comments below. Remember to check the description box for any resource or files related to this tutorial. Stay tuned for more exciting content and I will see you in the next video. Happy excelling!